5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
We're taking a live look at Sky 5 Wesco right now, and it's still feeling like summer out there for the time being. 72 right now in Wesco. Let's look down on the interstate. Notice it kind of looks a little bit hazy out there, and that's what's happening across a lot of the valley. A little bit of haze trying to form, a little bit of light fog, especially because look how light our winds are right now. Less than 5 miles per hour. So especially 7, 8 a.m. this morning. That's peak fog time. Could there be some light fog in spots? Yes. Is it going to be everywhere? No. And it's certainly not going to be dense fog if it's going to slow you down. Now, winds out of the northeast. That's not the front yet, though. When our winds shift to the northwest, we'll know the front has arrived. And no, our temperatures are not going to tumble by any means. This is going to be a very warm day. But the humidity is going down. And that's what we're going to track for you right here. Right now, the average dew point temperature, and remember, this is not the air temperature, the dew point temperature, which is a measure of humidity, is 69 degrees. That is muggy. But look what's going to happen this afternoon. The dew point is going to drop into the upper 40s. Dry air is going to come in here. Now, we're so warm this morning, and with that low humidity and tons of sun this afternoon, we're going to hit the low 90s this afternoon. It's going to be very warm, but it may not feel as warm as you expect, because usually when we have temperatures like this across the valley, it's muggy. But that's not going to be the case this afternoon. So it'll be a little bit more enjoyable, I think, when you step out the door. 90 in Brownsville. Look how uniform the temperatures are. 90 in Brownsville and just 92 in McAllen. A lot of us around 91. I'll go 93 for Rio Grande City. As usual, the cool spot, the island, 83. Mostly cloudy this morning, but again, bright blue sky, especially by late this afternoon. In fact, much of the day, probably just a few clouds around, but a mostly cloudy start with some light fog until about 10 a.m. Now, tomorrow is going to be a cooler day. We're going to be starting in the low 60s. It's going to be in the mid-80s in the afternoon. Comfortable humidity. Tomorrow, a nice day, and actually where we should be this time of year, finally. But it's short-lived. It's going to be muggy again on Thursday, and it's going to be around 90 again on Thursday. What about rain? Got a new graphic for you. We're looking at when you need to water your plants. Looking at things to do. Maybe you can plant a garden. Maybe you can tend to that garden. That's something you can do while you're sheltering at home. Just step out the door and water the plants. And I do think you're going to need to do it today and tomorrow because there is no chance of rain. But look at that 20% chance on Thursday. You might get lucky and catch a break and get a quick shower to water your garden for you without you having to do it. But I think 80% of us probably still will have to water on Thursday. Mostly sunny day, partly cloudy Wednesday and Thursday. And again, right back to around 90 on Thursday. We try and cool a little bit Friday with a little bit better chance of rain. A good chance of rain, it looks like, on Saturday. Then we start drying out again on Sunday and just a 10% chance of showers on Monday. Notice that we try and cool down again, but not quite as much. And it's right back to the low 90s by next Monday on your first Warm 5 AccuWeather forecast. Gabby?